right, it is time for my weekly 15-minute challenge. I've got my 15 minutes set up. I've got the papers that I want to use from Pam at Silver and Sparkles. This is the Love and Bloom kit, which I am so loving. The backgrounds are awesome sauceum. All right, when I flip this up, my 15 minutes will start. All right, here we go. All right, so this week, Pam, or not this week, but the video I chose for this week, Pam at Silver and Sparkles was making some page edge things that were edge designs and fit on the side of, that kind of go across the edge of the page and across the top. So we will be making a couple of those. And hopefully, because these are more simple things, I will be able to get them done in time. We'll see. Who knows with me, Pam? I don't work as fast as her, Pam. All right. So this is only 6 inches tall. But that's a tad over 8.5. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and use this piece, and we'll start with our first one. I don't think, however, that I want it this wide, do I? Because that is, that's 3 inches wide. That seems kind of wide, so I'm going to cut it down and make it 2 inches wide, I think. But we do not want to cut the fold off because that would defeat our purpose. Yes, 2 inches wide is good. Okay. Okay. Yes, that's much better. All right. There's some scraps we can use later. All right. So the first one is going to be one that, if this was the page of my journal, it would go on the edge of the page like that. Okay, so we're going to add some decorations to it. All right, we have a little birdie we can stick on here. Let's see. All right, so let's make a cluster kind of thingy. Okay. I don't want to cover the writing up on that side, so we'll decorate this side up. And on that side, we'll just stick something really simple in there. So we're going to stick this down here. I want something more than just that little piece, though. Let's see. Do we have a piece with coffee dye on the back of it? We do. Okay. I want it a little bit longer than it is. Stick that over there. Stick that one there. I don't want it centered. Up higher, down lower. Let's do down lower. Okay. We need some book page in here. Let's pull out my little scrap fodder bin here because I have tons of stuff in here. Okay. There's some book page we can use. Hoping that I can be like Pam from Silver and Sparkles and get 3 of them done today. But y'all know how that goes. Yeah, I'm at 8 minutes. We're not holding our breath on that one. We're already halfway through and I haven't finished one. Do I like that? Oops. he stay there? He wants to stick to my finger. Yeah, I think that's okay. Now, you know what it's missing? It's missing fiber. It needs some texture. That's what it needs. Texture. All right. Get my cheesecloth out here. All I did with this cheesecloth is dunk it in some coffee and then let it dry. Okay. I almost taped that to the table. I forgot I put glue on the back of it. You guys can't really see it too well, but there is texture back there, and that adds a little bit to it. All right, so there's that side done. This side, I really like what's here, and I don't really want to do anything to it. But we can add a little tiny cluster down here on the bottom. So let's pull out some. Can use some book page. Maybe that piece. I don't know. Okay, and what can we stick on there? Where's my fussy cut stuff? So what can we put here? Let's put this little heart. It's just hanging out here now. I don't think we do. Nope. Okay, but we do need some of this again. Yeah, we're not going to get much done. Okay, so there's the cluster on that one. And there's that side. Oh, and I did it upside down. Can we take the heart off and turn it the other way? Yes, we can. That makes this writing upside down here, but that's all good. I don't care. Okay, so there's one side, and then there's the other side. Let's give this some ink. All right, time is up. Where's the 0? There it is. All right, so we managed to get one done. Par for the course, but hey, it's actually done. I don't have to keep making the video go longer this time. Woo, me. All right, so there's a page edge. Paper that I used today was from the kit called Love and Bloom, made by Pam at Silver and Sparkles, and this is my weekly 15-minute challenge for Silver and Sparkles. Thanks for hanging out.